Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kaushik, your friendly neighborhood coder, and today we're diving into something super exciting, web scraping in Python. In just 10 minutes, you will go from zero to scraping your first website like a pro. Let's jump in. First things first, what is web scraping? It's simply a way to extract data from websites. Imagine you want to gather all the titles of books from an online bookstore, or maybe all the latest news headlines. Web scraping makes that possible. Now, a quick note. Always scrape responsibly. Read the website's terms of services and avoid having their servers. For this video, we'll use Python and two amazing libraries, Request to fetch web pages and Beautiful Soup to parse HTML and extract data. You can install them by opening your terminal and typing pip install requests, and at the same time you can just do Beautiful Soup 4. So both will be installed at the same time. I already have them installed, so it just says requirement already satisfied. For you, it will take some time and it will install the necessary stuff. So here's our mission today. We'll scrape codes from a simple website called codes.toscrape.com. It's a safe patty site for web scraping and no legal bodies. So let's start. So first we're gonna just do import port requests, and then we're gonna from bs4 we're gonna import Beautiful Soup. Next we're gonna store the URL in a variable called https://codes.toscrape.com. Then we're gonna get the response using the request library .get, and we're gonna give it the URL. Then we're gonna initialize the soup, and then we're gonna just do Beautiful Soup and the response dot text, and add a comma, and then we're gonna specify the parser. So we're gonna just do HTML dot parser, and then we're gonna get all the quotes. So we're gonna do quotes equals soup dot find all, and we're gonna find a tag name called span, and the class of that tag is going to be text. And then we're gonna just do same thing for author, and we're gonna just do soup dot find all, and we're gonna just give it a small tag, and we're gonna give it a class name of author. Now, why does these two things come from? So let us see where does it come from. So open the Chrome browser, and here we got the website, and in the website we're gonna just do inspect, and in inspect, if we get into an item, we can see that there is a span tag, and inside the span tag we got the message or the quote we need, and the span tag has a class name of text. So if we can get that, then we can get the text. So that's what we are doing. And same for the author. Right here, there you go, the small tag and the class name of author, and inside there the name of the author. So we are getting that using our two variables, and using soup we are using find all, and that's how we are storing both of them. And this find all method gets everything in the web page, meaning every code in the web page, and stores it as a list in the quotes and authors. So now we're gonna do for I in range of length quotes. Then we're gonna just do print formatted string, and we're gonna just do quotes dot quotes, and in the third bracket we're gonna just to give it the index or the I, and then we're gonna get the text of that. Then we're gonna get the author, so we're gonna just do authors, and then we're gonna give it the index. Okay, I didn't write it as authors, we write it as author, so we're gonna just do authors text, and that should give us the correct results. So we're gonna just do python app.py to test it, and if we just run it, we the appropriate results. So there you go, we got the quotes and the authors. So there you go, In under 10 minutes, you have learned web scraping and how to fetch and parse HTML, how to extract data and loop through pages. So there you go. In under 10 minutes, you have learned what web scraping is, how to fetch and parse HTML. The skills you just learned open doors to data analysis, automation, and even AI projects. This is your starting point. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you want me to cover next. Until the next time, keep coding, keep creating. Signing off.